This is the elevator here, Zara. Walden, Galleria, Cheektowaga in New York. Got another HT here. Here it is. Let's get to. Here we go. Here two. Let's close the door. Other one. These 2,500 pounds. Big cat view. Identical to the one at Beachwood Mall in Easton Town Center. Let's share one. Take this for another round trip. I want to hear that motor again. Here we go. Here too. And that'll be it.